And I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I am unboxing this package from Temu. First thing I noticed with this package is that my logistics company, when they did the inspection to see what was inside, they ripped through the box of the actual product. And I'm kind of pissed off about that, because if you follow my channel, you will know that these items are for my tiny home, and I won't be using these until it's done. But let's get into this. These are taped up pretty damn good. I don't know why they don't just use one box. I've noticed that with Temu a lot lately. So these are two different types of humidifiers. I bought them from the same seller. And can't remember how much I paid for this order. I think it was less than, I think I got them. Honestly, I can't remember. I will put it on the screen when I edit the video. But I think it was less than $10, or it was $10. I used the coupon and I had to pay shipping. This is the first one. I like the wood grain ones. So aroma humidifier. I don't even know what color I'm getting. I'm hoping I'll get this one. I think it's the brown one though. So I'm gonna do two different videos. Subscribe for that one. I'm just gonna do this one in this video, and in the next video I will unbox the other one. So this is the manual. This is the manual, and it's in Spanish and other languages. It smells so good. I can smell these. I hope nothing's spilled, but I can already smell them. So I got the mint leaf essential oil. It says hanky. Mint leaf is aromatherapy essential oil. You smells fragrance, you feel pleasant and relax. This is glass, so it's sturdy. I got the stick for the humidifier. I also got an orange one. I got the charger. Thought that would have been USB, and it's this one is the dark one. It's plastic. So this is what it looks like. And it's the dark brown. I think I might, what room is gonna have I need to get a few more, because what I want to do is I want to put one in each room. I think I'm gonna use this. Oh no, I might use this one in the living room, because the living room has this color. I need to test it. I'm gonna test it on camera as well. So I'm just gonna open this, and put the water in here. Does it have it already has a stick in there, so I don't need to do that. But why is this part closed? Do I twist it? I hope I don't break it. So it comes with two of these sticks. When you put the water in here, I'm gonna put some water in there and then test it. Hang on. Okay guys, so I got the water in. It says you're supposed to soak this in water for 15 seconds, but I'm just gonna soak it until it's completely full. Like you can see it, and it gets heavier. So I don't think I'm gonna do it for a full 15 seconds. And then I'm gonna put this back in here. Oh shoot. I should have used my tripod. Hang on, guys. So I put this in here, and I'm gonna put this back in here. To get that back in here. And I'm gonna turn it back to lock it in. Yeah. Turn it to lock it. I'm gonna try it the other way. Yeah. Just like that. You put the oil in there, but I'm not gonna put any oil in there right now. I'm concerned about this hole, that thing at the top. Just twist it, sturdy, and then I'm gonna plug it in. Is that the right hole? Can you plug this in?
It is.
Oh, it's a good thing I didn't mess with it. It's not, you're not supposed to do anything. But there we go.
Oh yeah, you can turn it.
And it lights up.
So you don't have to click. You just tap.
So I hold it down and it's off. Is the light off? Let me. There we go. It feels cool, as a humidifier should. And it smells refreshing even though there is nothing in there. This is what it's smelling at. I like the light changing color. It's very subtle.
Try put it in it. This one. Maybe you should put this in it.
It feels really cool. And that's a comfort compared to being hot and stuffy all day. So I would give this a 10 out of 10 so far.
50 out of 50.
And I can just imagine when I put the fragrance in there. And it's a pretty decent size. And it was less than, I think it was like $3. And then I had to pay $2.99 to ship both items because they were from the same seller. Anyway, guys, this is it for my Temu humidifier. If I can get this one and this one, then I'll be great. I'm gonna try to definitely get some more, but I wanted to see what they were about before I got any more. But yeah, definitely gonna reorder for the rest of the rooms, and I'm getting these ones for sure in a different color. But this is it. I recommend. And as a person who has sinus problems, this is why I definitely need a humidifier in all the rooms. So yep, 10 out of 10 recommend, and it's a decent size for the price. I will be reordering in different colors, and if I can't get different colors, I will get the same one. So subscribe, like the video, comment your thoughts, your opinions, any questions you might have, or just to follow my journey. I will be posting the unboxing and review for the other one. The other one is bigger, so subscribe and stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.